Hey friends, welcome in. It's Barry Cessna, your Cape Coral real estate agent, and today we have a treat for you. We are located in Northeast Cape Coral on Cozumel Court at the community of Entrada, one of the few gated communities in the city of Cape Coral. Now, if you love the security of a gated community, fantastic amenities like pickleball, a huge resort-style pool, and the serenity of a newer community, this home may be the one for you. This stunning home features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage, and has almost 1,700 square feet of living space under air. The first thing you will notice when you pull up to this is the lush tropical landscaping and the driveway with the pavers. Now, as we enter this welcoming entryway, you're going to notice the open floor plan with large quartz kitchen island, plenty of cabinet space, and even a huge pantry. The great room is perfect for entertaining with large windows, letting in lots of natural light. And the home boasts many premium upgrades, including luxury lighting, a water filtration system, and upgraded window blinds, a glass shower door in the primary ensuite, and even accordion hurricane shutters for peace of mind. Moving to the backyard, you're going to discover a large paver patio for entertaining guests, a 6-foot white privacy fence, and even a jacuzzi. Now, this home demonstrates true pride of ownership, as the current owners have maintained this home superbly. Now, if you're looking for a peaceful Florida retreat with resort-style living, this is the home for you. Contact me to learn more about this home in the community of Entrada. Now, this home won't be on the market long, as it's a very desirable floor plan and an excellent location, and is expected to sell rather quickly. The great news is, if you like this home, which is built by DR Horton, one of America's largest builders, I have access to the brand new homes like this one coming to the market with this exact floor plan. So whether you like the amenities of a gated community or you prefer traditional Cape Coral neighborhoods, you have many options and incentives. Hit the link below to contact me and learn more. Okay, let's go ahead and jump inside and take a look around. Wow, what an amazing home. If you've been dreaming of owning a piece of the Florida sunshine and tranquility, this may be the home for you. The home offers all the amenities you will ever need, and the resort style living is unmatched. And a big bonus is that there is not a CDD, no CDD, and the HOA is very low. I'm Barry Cessna, and you are thinking about buying, selling, investing, relocating here to Cape Coral, hit that link below and schedule an appointment with me. You're also welcome to call, text, or email. I aim to be a resource for you, making real estate dreams a reality here in the city of Cape Coral.